Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest car reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury and performance with the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome. A masterpiece of design and engineering, this motorhome sets new standards for both comfort and power. First, let's talk about the interior. Mercedes-Benz is known for its impeccable craftsmanship, and the 2026 motorhome is no exception. As you step inside, you're greeted with a spacious and elegantly designed living area that blends modern aesthetics with functional luxury. The materials used throughout are of the highest quality, from supple leather seating to precision-milled wood finishes. The living area includes a massive flat-screen TV, a premium surround sound system, and a panoramic skylight or window for breathtaking views on the road. The kitchen is fully loaded with state-of-the-art appliances, including a built-in espresso machine, a French door refrigerator, and even a temperature-controlled wine cellar for connoisseurs. The bedroom, with a king-size bed, offers hotel-level comfort, and the ensuite bathroom features spa-grade fixtures and possibly a steam/shower combo, ensuring you enjoy all the comforts of home even when you're far from it. Now, moving to the exterior, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome is a vision of aerodynamic elegance. With its sleek lines, integrated bodywork, and flush panels, it slices through the air effortlessly, enhancing fuel economy and on-road stability. The exterior is finished in a multi-layer metallic paint with protective clear coat, offering both stunning looks and durability. A large retractable awning with integrated LED lighting and weather sensors creates the perfect outdoor lounge area, while bespoke alloy wheels adorned with the three-pointed star add a signature touch. The motorhome rides on a robust yet lightweight chassis, likely based on a Mercedes commercial or coach platform, so it balances handling agility with structural strength. The attention to exterior detail is extraordinary, ensuring the motorhome commands attention whether parked or cruising down the highway. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome is powered by a high-output powertrain that balances torque and efficiency. Depending on the variant, it could offer a hybrid or high-efficiency diesel, or possibly even a plug-in hybrid option. Whether you're cruising on the highway or climbing mountain passes, this motorhome delivers a refined driving experience. Its adaptive air suspension or active damping system smooths out road imperfections, and an advanced automatic transmission with multiple drive modes shifts seamlessly to suit driving conditions. Additionally, Mercedes' advanced driver assist systems help you manage tight turns, parking, and highway driving confidently. It's a vehicle that truly fuses luxury and performance. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome is at the top end of the luxury market, and its price reflects that. Entry models might start around $350,000, but fully equipped flagship variants with bespoke finishes and luxury options could push well above $500,000, or even into the $1 million range, depending on customization and technology. The price tag includes all custom craftsmanship, advanced systems, and the prestige associated with the Mercedes-Benz badge. To sum up, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome is an extraordinary blend of luxury, performance, and forward-thinking technology. Whether you're embarking on cross-country adventures or seeking the ultimate in mobile luxury, the Mercedes-Benz Motorhome delivers on every front. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.